Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you set screen time on iPhone. So at first just go to your settings. Now click on screen time. Now click on turn on screen time. Click on turn on screen time again. If this is your phone, click on this is my iPhone, and if this is your child's phone, click on this is my child's iPhone. I'm just gonna select this is my iPhone. Now you can select some limits from here. I'm just going to select app limits. Now click on add limit. You can select app limit time for this kind of apps. I'm just going to set for games. And if you want to set for a few games or only one or two, you can just set it by clicking it like this. And after setting it, click the top right next. Now you can set the time for the game limit, just like giving half an hour. You can also customize days by clicking it. I'm just selecting every day 30 minutes. And after that, click the top right add. So guys, that's how you can set screen time on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.